Protein. You know you need to eat it. How much do you actually need? If you look around, it might seem like you need a lot. After all, it's in yogurts, it's in ice creams, it's even in water. And it's on the lips of influencers the world over, often with them saying that you should be eating more. But figuring out how much protein humans really need has been a puzzle for centuries. So, what does the science say? To start, it's fair to say that you do need protein. It's an essential building block of our bodies. In some of the first studies, chemists in the 1840s used the diets of German workers to estimate that the average adult needed around 120 grams of protein a day. By the 1940s, scientists had turned their focus to the nitrogen inside the protein we eat. As few things we eat other than protein contain it, they figured they could use nitrogen to see how much protein our bodies use, by looking at how much our bodies don't use. This measurement is still the basis of recommendations today, the latest of which was made in 2005, suggesting that adults need 0.8 grams per kilogram of body weight per day. For a 70 kilogram adult, that would be 56 grams of protein or 175 grams of cooked chicken. But that recommendation was a minimum. For older adults who are at risk of muscle loss, 1.1 grams per kilogram of body weight may be best, as research has shown that people who ate that retained the most muscle mass. But what if you're someone who pumps iron and is after mad gains? Well, a 2017 systematic review showed that additional protein could be beneficial to you, but only up to a point. Anything beyond 1.6 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight seems like a wasted effort. That would be 112 grams of protein for a 70 kilogram human, or about 350 grams of cooked chicken, which is a far cry from the 2.2 grams per kilogram that many fitness influencers swear by. It seems the evidence just doesn't support there being a benefit to eating that much protein. Luckily, unless you have a kidney disease, there isn't any harm in eating that much either, but it is a waste. For people who avoid meat, like me, the situation is a bit trickier. It's easier to get protein from animals than plants, as animals have all the essential amino acids that we need. But you can get them from plants. Think nuts, lentils, chickpeas, even bread, as long as you get enough of a variety. So, does the science say you should be trying to boost your protein intake? Probably not. According to specialists creating the new dietary guidelines for Americans, people in the US already eat well above the necessary amount of protein. They suggest eating less protein from animals and more from plants. And scientists who spoke to Nature said that in fact in most parts of the world, people already eat enough protein. So, according to the science, we just need to not obsess so much about protein and instead focus on eating enough calories and a varied diet. Then you'll get all the protein you need.